Welcome to week 4. In this week, we will continue to learn about second language learning acquisition and different theorists. This week, you will read chapter 4, and additionally, you will read these 2 articles. There are several videos that are optional, but very interesting and engaging, and I would recommend watching them. Specifically the ones on Stephen Krashen, who is a lead theorist in second language acquisition. The assignments for this week start with a discussion. In this discussion, you will choose 2 of the items here. There are 4 to choose from. You will choose 2 of them, and under them, you will answer the questions in a well thought out, thorough response in your discussion. That will be your initial response. You will then read at least 2 other peers' responses and reply to them. When you reply, please make sure that you use academic writing and that you engage with specific pieces that they have brought up in their initial post. After that, there's an assignment called comparisons. In this one, you will create a table and you will compare and contrast 4 language learning perspectives, and you will use these items in your table. So you will have 4 key theorists, and you will list the following items for each theorist in a table format. There is a rubric right here to reference. Please make sure you do a self-check of the rubric before submitting to ensure optimal points. And lastly, there is a quiz. As always, if you have any questions or are in need of any support this week, please reach out to myself or to any of your academic associates that are assigned to you. Have a great week.